Hey everybody, it's Jennifer from Tarle Speech. I have another viewer question for you. How do you pronounce the word earlier, which is done before the expected time? The mistake that I hear is that people say ear, like your ear, and we're not going to say ear, we are just going to say earlier, earlier. So to say that what you're going to do, square tense lips, tip of the tongue is either pointed down or flipped back, back of the tongue is high up. Make that sound long and strong is what I tell my one-on-one students. Then move to that li, touch the tip of the tongue to the spot where the teeth meet the skin on the roof of the mouth. Ooh, and then smile, high flat tongue for that E, and then end with that earlier, 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 earlier. Earlier, stress syllable 1. Earlier, earlier, earlier. And now for a sentence. I should have made this video earlier. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. Thanks everybody for your questions. I love your comments. Keep them coming. Give us a like and a share if you're so inclined. And don't forget to check out our link tree for our classes and products below. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.